Alrighty, well, we're back to this Ford Motorcraft 4300. Earlier video we had taken the top off and taken a few pieces of the jets and the power valve and the float system and everything, getting all that clean, getting it off. But this little shuttle valve that is the check valve basically for the squirter nozzle, because the fuel would come from the fuel pump, for the accelerator pump down through up underneath this little check valve that's right here, and it is stuck. And we're gonna have to drill it out because it says no. And we're gonna try to take this out on camera. And it's like, well, put the little dimple hole in the center of it, which jams it further in. And doing that, see, it's even actually below the top of the body now. Oh, you know what? Doing that kind of loosened it up. Come on, baby. Ooh, it's coming out. Wow. It's a Thursday evening, something like the 16th or 17th, something like that. And it's been busy at work, and I feel good today, so it's like I'll come out here and do a video on, continue this thing on here. And it's just gonna, wow, you could almost get something on there. I should be using a bed blow hammer. See, don't think you're gonna be able to see it much, but it's above deck right now. Oh, and it fell right back in there just by barely touching it. So look at that sucker. Jeez, check that out. And let me see if I can come in closer here. Look at all the white stuff that's on here. All the deposits out of the fuel are just all over this. And that's what kept it stuck on this discharge check valve, kept it down in the body. And it is just full of that stuff in there. A lot of powder. I don't know if that's residue from E85 or some kind of weird ass fuel, or something was put in there to do something with the fuel. It's kind of weird, but you know what? That's a pretty good deal. It's a little bit late in the evening for me. I'm going to stop here on a good note, and that just, we have a few minutes on this video for this one here. Hopefully the weather is halfway decent tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be cooler tomorrow. It might be, my luck. Come home Friday night and do another video. And again, I forgot my external mic from my phone so you could hear me better. So I'll go over this tonight, and then I'll try to put it on my video editor because I need to practice. The other one that I did, that longer one, that was my first one using a video editor, and so got to practice, got to keep doing stuff. Got to improve, got to do something better every day. And I got to look up the thread bolt pitch and size so I can repair this stripped bolt hole that's right here. So that's what I'll study tonight and see what I can do about it. And everybody have a good evening. This was fun. I'm glad that came out. And man, that is just full of crap in there. Man, I really had to hold this carburetor back from doing its job. Wow. Well, take care, everybody.